Different types of polymer clay. Polymer clay comes in a large variety of colors from a large variety of manufacturers. Here are just some of the brands you can find. Sculpey 3, Premo Sculpey, Super Sculpey, Craft Smart, Crafter's Collection. I have found a craft version of this and an advanced version for a little bit more. Please note, these have different baking instructions, so I would not recommend using them on the same project. Fimo Soft, Effect, and Leather Effect. DAS Smart, or is it DOS Smart? I found this one on clearance at Blick's Art Supply. Cost Clay, which offers more flexibility to your sculpture. Super Sculpey Ultralight is a great way to bulk up your sculpture without adding too much weight. Some polymer clays are available in multi-packs, which is great for beginners. These larger assortments by Arteza and Shuttle Art also include tools and accessories to make jewelry with your clay projects. My favorite clay to use is Premo Sculpey, but I also really like Super Sculpey for pieces that I plan on painting. If you sculpt with polymer clay, what kind of clay do you like? Is there any type in this video you hadn't heard of before? If you found this video useful, please consider subscribing to my channel. Also, make sure to ring that notification bell. If you want to learn more about polymer clay, be sure to check out my bite-sized tutorial playlist, or you can check out one of my original creations up here. If you have any questions about polymer clay, be sure to leave them in the comments down below. All right, well, thank you so much for watching, and remember, never stop creating. Bye.